Day 5 of pull ups. Today I kept most things the same, but I switched to a different pull up bar. If you guys watched day 4, you'll remember that bar had insane grip, the bar that I trained at in day 4. This one is much more average, and yeah, that definitely makes a huge difference. I can already tell my reps are lower on this bar. I also adjusted the structure a little bit. On day 4, I did 8 sets of 5 reps with 45 seconds of rest. And then the last 2 sets with 2 minutes rest, all with full range of motion. The last 2 sets, not the first 8. But today, because of the weaker grip on this bar, I went back to my original setup, 5 sets of 5 with 45 seconds of rest, then 5 sets with 2 minutes of rest, and those last 5 sets with full range of motion. And I'm not gonna lie, this session felt harder than the last one. I think part of that is the grip, but also the way I approached the reps. Last session, during those early sets, I wasn't focused on full range of motion. This time I did more full range work, and that made things way tougher. Like those last 5, since I take longer rest with those last 5 sets, I'm more conditioned to do full range of motion compared to the first 5 sets where I'm only resting like 45 seconds of rest. And honestly, I think full range of motion can be a bit overrated when you're trying to build strength and volume. If you're too strict with perfect form on every rep, it can limit how much volume you can actually accumulate. So for the early sets where rest is short, I'm not too focused on perfect form. My goal is simple: get my eyes over the ball. That's enough. Then in the later sets where I'm taking longer rests, that's when I focus on full range, getting the chin clearly over the bar with proper control. But today I ended up doing more full range sets than usual, about 5 sets instead of just 2 compared to my last session, and it showed. By around set 4 or 5, I was struggling on those last reps. I couldn't consistently get my chin over the bar. I'd hit rep 4, then hang for a bit, recover, and really grind out rep 5. And I'm not gonna lie, it makes me nervous. Like, I'm nervous. I'm worried. Like, I feel like I'm gonna plateau in the next session. I'm planning to reduce my rest from 2 minutes down to 90 seconds in the next session. I'm just like worried, am I really going to be able to complete, you know, 10 sets of 5 reps? So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but we move. And that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.